everyone, this is Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am reviewing something I've been wearing every single day for the last few weeks. I am talking about this smart ring. And this is the RingConn Gen 3. It's a smart ring, meaning it's a tiny ring you wear 24/7 that tracks your health at the background without you doing anything. You just simply wear it and it works at the background. And there's nothing else you need to do. And by the way, wearing it feels so very comfy. They first of all sent you a sizing kit, and at the sizing kit you have all types of sizes and you just try them on one by one. This is how you can decide which size do you need, and what's more important, what finger to wear the ring on, because this is also important because hey, this is a big ring. It's important to make sure you are super comfortable with your choice of the size, and the sizing kit is free, and then you are choosing the size of the real ring that is gonna be shipped to you. So this ring is extra comfortable. Literally you wear it for 5 minutes and you completely forget about it because it's super comfy. It just fits perfectly. I tried it on different fingers through the sizing kit and I realized that the best finger for me will be this one. But guys, here is what I truly want to talk with you about through this video, is this one feature that definitely stood out for me, maybe because of my age. It is called the Vascular Trend, and this is the part I actually want to spend time on today, guys, and talk to you about because it's important health issue. Well, let's get started.
When I was still working as an engineer, long hours, constant deadlines, and high pressure every single day, well, I never once thought about what that was doing to my body, internally. And well, I was younger, so you don't think about that type of things when you're younger, right? You just push through. And that's exactly the problem.
Your blood vessels don't give you pain signals when stress, bad sleep, or lifestyle habits start affecting them over time. That damage is silent in the early stages, and 1 in 3 adults have a vascular health issues without even knowing it. 44% of them have zero idea. So what the Vascular Trend feature does is it track your overnight vascular pattern while you sleep. Then it shows your daily, weekly, and monthly trends inside the app. So instead of guessing how your body feels, you're actually seeing patterns build over time. Before I started, I entered a couple of readings from a regular blood pressure cuff to calibrate the feature. That step made the whole thing feel more intentional, not just plug and play. After that, it mostly runs in the background during low motion periods, like while you're sleeping, and the app starts connecting what might be influencing your trends. Things like stress levels, sleep quality, activity, and everyday habits. Now, I do want to be honest about one thing, guys. This feature is about long-term trends, not instant single readings. And honestly, that might actually be a more complete picture. A single reading captures one single moment, you know what I'm talking about? While an overnight data, for example, tracked consistently over time can truly reflect what's really going on in your body, way more objectively, especially since nighttime is when your body isn't reacting to stress, movement, or caffeine, for an example that we all consume so badly. So, if you are expecting one number that tells you everything, well, the RingConn Gen 3 smart ring goes way deeper than that.
And for the woman watching, well, there is a dedicated women's health section in the app that I genuinely appreciated. It tracks your cycle and gives fertility insights in case you are trying to get pregnant or the opposite. You can customize it any way works for you. That means the ring isn't just giving you general health data, it's giving you context that's actually relevant to your body specifically. And as someone in my late 30s thinking about hormonal shifts, recovery, and how my cycle connects to how I feel today, well, having that in the same place as my sleep and stress data actually makes so much sense.
The ring itself is almost nothing on your finger. You truly don't feel it. It's so comfortable to wear. It only weighs 2.5 and up to 3.5 grams, depending on the size, of course, of the ring, and it's only 2.3 millimeters thin. I wore it through workouts, dishwashing, showering, chasing my 3-year-old around, and you literally forget that it's there. Now, it is also IP68 waterproof, so daily life is genuinely not a problem. You don't have to stop your life. You don't have to remove your ring every time you want to wash your hands. Now, let's talk about the battery. It runs from 11 up to 14 days on one single charge, and you can always see through the smart app the current battery mode, and it is telling you for how many days it's gonna last. And well, the charging case that it came with, it's super cute. It extends that even further. It also has a subtle vibration alerts for reminders, so it's truly nice. I personally way preferred over loud notifications, which are interrupting everything. Now guys, beyond the vascular, it also tracks sleep, stress, activity, recovery, sleep apnea trends, and women's health, all with no subscription fee, which is so important. And just to be clear, this is wellness information for lifestyle awareness only, not a replacement for your doctor. So you still need to go and be checked up, your annually appointments. But for me, being in my late 30s, I am focused on recovery and on actually understanding my body better right now. And it's so nice, just to check on your health, know everything about your quality of the sleep, and so very on. It's just so very nice to have all these data organized in one spot. And that's exactly what the original problem was. That's why I appreciate this RingConn Gen 3 smart ring so much. It just makes me feel more control over my health and over my life in general.
So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think. Let me know your opinion down below at the comments. If you ever tried any type of like a smart ring that tracks your health, if you ever tried like a smart bracelet maybe, or anything like that. I know that there are like, necklaces, bracelets, rings, tons of these out there today. And to me, this one is truly stands out by its features, how comfortable it is. And guys, we never talked about the design yet. This is literally the prettiest smart ring I have ever seen in my entire life. They have this in a few different colors. They have it like brushed, they have it like shiny, and you can choose which one works for you. I chose mine in silver, in brushed design, and absolutely love this one. It looks so very cute and so very beautiful and gorgeous on your finger. It's definitely like one more part of your accessories, of your styling ideas, and I absolutely love that it can fit any outfit. I definitely can see myself wearing this one with like a cocktail dress for a wedding, for an event, or for everyday life as well. So guys, be so very sure to check RingConn Gen 3 out. I'm gonna leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, sales, promotions, any possible way to save some money of yours. So don't snooze, because you're gonna lose all these discounts. And the Gen 3, it is launching right now. So guys, be so very sure to go grab it. It is been crazy. It's been a lot. People were waiting for these because this is the 3rd generation and it's supposed to be the best ever one. Just look how pretty it is. Guys, I'm gonna see you all in my next videos. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. XOXO Valentine.